It's cold season. When getting sick can absolutely ruin the time off that you're taking because you're pretending to be sick. But what if you could decide when to catch a cold? That's what a new startup company in California is promising by selling pre-infected tissues so you can get sick on your terms. Here's how it works. You rub the infected tissue on your face, and within 2 or 3 days, voila, you're an idiot. Well, I love to cover industry-disrupting new products like this in my look at the hottest new startups. This is Go Fund Yourself. The dirty Kleenexes are being offered by a new company called Vave, which is Danish for tissue, which sounded better than their first choice, Eiditi Laulit, which is Danish for, is this legal? One diseased mail-order tissue retails for $80. Let me save you some cash. This is Dr. T-Bone. His office is in the 7 train to Queens, and he will cough on you for the low, low price of the remainder of your muffin. Still too expensive? No problem. He's gonna cough on you anyway. Now, you might be asking, is this scientifically sound? To that I say, have you seen the fancy box it comes in? So fancy, it's like cholera is asking you to marry it. They even made a commercial that's pretty scientific.
You tear your muscles to become stronger. You learn to fall to become a dancer. You callous your fingers to become a musician. Why is your immune system any different?
Seriously, why? We're asking because we don't understand how anything works. Vave creates their tissues using a stable of 10 go-to sneezers, some of which the company recruited online, making this the second most efficient way to find someone on the internet to give you a virus. But, I feel sick. I feel like I have an illness coming on. But there's just 9 problems with this, because when an actual doctor was asked, they pointed out that there are more than 200 varieties of rhinoviruses, which is why there has never been a vaccine for the common cold. You'll be protected from whatever version of it is on this tissue, but that still leaves you susceptible to the other 199, adding, there is nothing positive that can come from this. Oh, really? I think wiping your nose with a stranger's diseased Kleenex means you'll test positive for something. To sum up, it's expensive, it's dangerous, it's disgusting, and it won't work. So naturally, it is sold out. And that's why I want in. You see, Vave exposes you to only one cold virus. Just think how many other diseases Think how many other diseases it's not protecting you from by not giving them to you. Introducing DEAD. DEAD, which is the English word for not alive. The DEAD sponge is loaded with dozens of highly infectious diseases: typhoid, rabies, cryptosporidium. Just a few drops in your face holes and bam! You've contracted Giardia on your terms. And to anyone asking, why would I intentionally squeeze dengue fever into my face? Well, the answer is simple. Because you have to fall down to learn to dance. We'll be right back with our friend, John.